Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Darius Nugget. In this video, I'm gonna be going over how I use the Ichimoku. Um, Give me a second. Gotta turn the music off. All right, so in this video, I'm gonna be going over how I use the Ichimoku. I'm literally gonna break everything down. What you see up here right now, you need to draw, please. You can just draw these two lines out. You feel me? This is very important. This is going to play a key part into using the Ichimoku, which you will see soon. Well, let me start this timer. I'm only trying to record this for an hour. I don't want to go past that. 1 hour. All right, so the Ichimoku. Why do I use the Ichimoku? Reason why I use the Ichimoku is because it helps me see the shift in momentum. So it helps me spot when I actually have momentum in the market. So as you see right here, this is on an uptrend. So as you see right here, this is on an uptrend. You see this line, blue line is thin. Now let me know that it's buyer's momentum in the market. So this is good to go up. Now when my blue line gets thick, this lets me know the momentum is dropping. So the buyer is losing momentum. As you see, this became thick. The blue line became thick. You feel me right here? Buyer started losing momentum, started consolidating, came down, created a lower high, and it started dropping. So you having this will help out a lot. Another reason why I use the Ichimoku, it offers a better insight on support and resistance, entries and exits. Well, it gives you entry and exit signals, stop losses, Fibonacci retracement levels with this system. And I don't know, overall, it's just dope. Well, I don't know about the Fibonacci retracement levels. Scratch that. Because I still be using the fibs for this shit. Just to help me out. Like this like some shit like this would have been a perfect move. That's probably 23.6 retracement. 23.6, continuation down. Boom. But but yeah, so I've used a lot of indicators. This is probably the most accurate indicator that I came across, the most accurate that I've ever used. It's the most reliable too. Like I can honestly say, with all the back testing I did with this, I can honestly say once I get it set up, I'm good. Like I'm comfortable as hell holding my trades for a long time and all that, all because of this. So I'm gonna break down this simple. I'm gonna break down the most simplest thing before we get to the complicated shit. All right. So hopefully you got this copy down. Hopefully you really got this copy down. All right. So let's get to it, yeah. So when your blue line is above your red line, you're in an uptrend. When blue is below your red line, you're in a downtrend. If price is in the middle, and usually consolidation ranges, sometimes you get you'll get a straight spike through. Sometimes you won't. For the most part, you get like shit like this. So really trading in the middle is kind of no man's land, to be honest with you. Oh wait, I'm the farthest back I can go. But yeah, so really trading in the box is no man's land. I'm pretty sure. I mean, I don't know if you guys watch other videos on how Ichimoku is, but they say not to trade inside the clouds and not to trade. I do this shit anyway because I be seeing moves. I trade whatever I see. If I see a move, I see a setup, I'm taking it. You feel me? But fuck, and I'm on a daily. I didn't mean to do this demonstration on a daily. Fuck it, I'll do it. Nah, I'm not gonna do it on a daily. I'm gonna have to drop down. I'm actually gonna have to go to a lower time frame. I didn't want to do it on a daily. It's the daily doesn't give me enough information. But again, when blue is above red, you're in an uptrend. When it's below, you're in a downtrend. When it's flat, there's no momentum from both sides. As you see, this shit was just stuck. Like it was just stuck. You feel me? And then this became thin right here. It became thin on this candle. So this would have been your entry. well, with other things in play, you could have got in there, or you could have just played it safe and wait till this breaks. But as you see, this became thin. Let me know sellers picking up momentum, and it started dropping. Feel me? We'll make sure. All right. All right. So let's break this down. Now that we got the basics out the way. So literally, before I even add the clouds on, literally what you see right now is your basic setup. This will be your basic setup. This will be your main setup. Well, along with these, well, not necessarily this one. I mean, you don't really need these lines if you don't want to, but you feel me? For real, you set up a set. Got that one. Ugh. But what was I saying? Oh, so I usually use the Ichimoku on the 4-hour or the daily. Using the Ichimoku with the clouds, I'll strongly base my moves off of those two time frames. I do drop down to the hour time frame every once in a while, but it depends on the situation and what exactly am I looking for specifically. I'm gonna repeat that. It depends on the situation and what exactly I'm looking for specifically. So, now let's add the clouds. Let's get to the fun shit. Let's add the clouds. Boom. You feel me? All right, let's move all the other bullshit too. Boom. 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 Well, I'm gonna keep that in there. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that in there. I bet. So, with the way how I use this is very, very effective, and you will see. I'm gonna break it down. I'm gonna break it down real quick so you can get the idea, but I'm gonna really go over it live when I replay the bar so you can actually see it play out. But right now, I'm about to just give you a quick explanation on how it works, how it moves, so you can see, so you can get a good gist of it, and then I'm gonna actually replay the bar so you can actually see the shit play out, so you can see how accurate this actually is. But as you see right here, up here I got blue crossover to red, or blue to red, really blue crossover to red equals higher high. So usually once this shit crosses over, it should be a higher high. If it's not a higher high and you don't get that higher low, price is going to continue up. You feel me? Price is going to continue up to create a new higher high, but still follow this flow. You feel me? So once you get the cloud crossover, starting from the crossover should be your high. You feel me? Or slightly behind it, whatever. But again, you see right here, right? This was supposed to be my high. This was supposed to be my higher low, but it failed to break this. It failed to even pull back even more, letting me know that we're still going up. So this next move will be my last move. All right. So you feel me? It didn't break. So look, what we do: higher high, come back for the higher low, pull back for the high. In this case, I got a lower high, telling me that somewhere in the future we're probably gonna come back up here. Let me check. Yep. So I gotta really double check on all this shit since I'm not flowing back and forth through time frames, through different time frames. Hold on. Forgot I said I was gonna drop down to the 4-hour chart. Hold on, guys. I go all the way back. I'm trying to show you how to do that. I'm saying I can't do this, man. It's not enough noise. Now the reason why I like the 4-hour chart the best, like the 4-hour chart, I come to the 4-hour chart first to even check this shit out. You feel me? To see what my moves, to predict what my moves is gonna be like. Because the 4-hour it shows a good amount of movement that I need. You feel me? It shows a good amount of information that I need. If it's showing a little too much, if it's not showing as much, I'll drop down to the hour chart, where it's showing me a little bit more. If it's showing a little too much, I'll go up to the daily chart so it's more clear. And I'm talking cloud-wise. I'm talking clouds. You're going to see what I'm talking about soon. But In situations like this is consolidating. I'm going to the daily time frame so I can see less noise. I want to see less noise with the clouds. I'm talking cloud wise. Oh, another thing, the cloud. Please do not think the cloud, overreact, overdo it. Look at the cloud as just a trend line. That's exactly what your cloud is. Nothing more, nothing less. It's just a trend line that changes colors to let you know the move. To let you know what the market's going to do ahead of time. So let's get to this breakdown. I'm mad because the other day, yesterday actually, I recorded this video. It was like an hour and 20 something minutes, and it had no sound. I was so sad and mad because hour and 20 minutes out of my day wasted. I spit hella nuggets that I don't remember what I said. But anyways, all right, so red to blue, lower low, red to blue. When you get a red to blue, price usually creates a double bottom. As you see, this is really what this flow plays out as. You feel me? You got your lower low, then you got your lower high, then you got your low, then you got your higher high. Now, in this case, price broke this, right? You got red to blue, but this was my candle on red to blue. So me seeing this ain't no motherfucking lower low. So now I'm expecting price to still drop. Why? Because shit, I want a lower low. So usually I'm expecting 2 drops. Like, this is kind of confusing because this shit is weird as shit. Like, all these little ass drawings. But let me see how this shit plays out. 1, 2. So you got the 2 drops before the reversal. Usually it's the next 2 consolidation zones. I don't know if you watched my moving average video, but if you didn't, you definitely gotta check it out. But you already know. Well, actually, oh shit, I forgot to tell you. When white pearl, I explained that. All right, so from this point, it's really just about ranging and just waiting for your setup. But you knowing ahead of time that this shit's gonna buy, and it's you got the flow pattern and all that. So look, from this point, we finally got our lower low. Price pulled back to create that lower high. Let me see if that was the actual violet lower high. I ain't gonna lie, guys. I'm tired of this shit right now. I might have to redo this video because I'm not even feeling it right now. So I got 38.2 touch right here, giving me my lower high. What we got up here, right? Lower high, low, higher high. Lower high, low, higher high. Where's that? Higher high. I put in the wrong thing. But so this is my higher high, right? So me seeing this structure is broken, we Gucci, right? Blue cross over to red, higher high, right? What I say? So higher high, pull back, it failed to break. Well, it failed to create a higher low. Let me know that the next push up will be where the move start. So I got my new higher high. Look, blue to red, higher high. This is the flow. Higher low, high, lower low. Higher high, well, blue to red, higher high, higher low, high. So in this case, I didn't get a high, right? I didn't get a high, I got a lower high. So now I'm anticipating a lower low, but I'm really anticipating a low because I still need that high in order to complete my move. This flow right here needs to be completed. If it's not completed, your trend is still continuing. So in this case, I didn't get that high, I got a lower high. So I'm expecting a low. I'm open-minded to a lower low, but I'm expecting a low because I still want my high. You know what I mean? At this point, my red line. Price pulls back, giving me a high. So once I get this, now I'm expecting a lower low. In this case, price didn't give me shit. It didn't even give me a lower. It didn't even give me a lower high. I mean a higher low. Wait, what the fuck am I saying? Yeah, it didn't even give me a higher low, a valid higher low. Like this is most likely a 23.6 retracement. Let's see. Yep, 23.6 retracement. So me seeing that, I know we still got to move up. You feel me? Not only that, I got my red to crossover again, blue to red. You already know this ain't no damn high. So the next move up is a high. So my next high is gonna be my last move before the drop. You feel me? So as you see, that's what happened. Now I'm actually missing a step that I usually do. Usually when I see, all right, so with the clouds, the benefit of the clouds, you're going to be seeing these moves ahead of time. All right. So you're going to see the cloud crossover ahead of time. All right. So usually when I see the cloud crossover, I automatically do this. Automatically draw this. Take this 21 candles out. What's that? Red to blue. Buy. Where's that? There you go. Red to blue, buy. Boom, sell. Sell. All right, so this date range of shit, this is right here. That's tripping, you know. But yeah, as you see right here, this is what I use for this. Oh wait, no, this is what I use. I'm tripping, my bad. This is what I used. But all right, so I draw this box to let me know my zone that I'm playing with. You feel me? To get me prepared for the move of the cloud crossover. So as you see, we got that red crossover blue, getting that lower low. In this case, I didn't get that shit. I got a higher low. So, which tells me this shit gonna drop. It did. But yeah. So when price is in this box, and this situation kind of depends. All right. So when price is in between this box, price can either consolidate, price will either pull back, or price will continue to move. So if you already caught this move, I would honestly say, you know, you might as well just chill out, you feel me, fall back and wait for the next move because you know what's up. You feel me? But man, I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to end this video because I ain't feeling it, man. I ain't feeling it. But every time I say this, I don't want to re-record the video. You know what? I'm gonna go through this. I'm gonna post this up, but then I'm gonna post another one where I probably won't need to post another one. This. But yeah. So price usually consolidates, continue to trend, or pull back in between these boxes. What else? I think that's it. I think that's all I really need to explain right now. So let me actually just get this started then. Oh, what the fuck, bro? Tripping, man. You tripping, man. Tripping, man. Alrighty then. Let's see what we got going on over here. All right, bet. So let's start this. Red to blue, lower low. Right. So again, I'm seeing a cloud crossover ahead of time. So I draw this 21 candles before. Boom. Well, it's actually 22. So boom. 21. 21. So red to blue, buy. So expecting price to buy. Make that thing blue. Boom. Boom. Red. Bang. Right. Delete that. Don't need it no more. All right. So remember what I said. Price will either consolidate, pull back, or continue to trend in between these lines before reversing. Red to blue. Once price gets past that crossover, that cloud crossover, I'm expecting that crossover to be, I'm expecting a lower low to be at that crossover. If I don't see a lower low, I know price is going to continue up. Or down, I should say. Yeah, no. No. Down. Yeah. So in this case, price continued up, right? Boom, crossover. I got another one, right? Blue to red. higher high, right? Blue to red, higher high. Let me know my sell coming, right? So blue to red, higher high. Now this is the flow. Higher low, high, lower low. Crossover, higher high. So now I'm expecting that higher low, right? At this point, I'll pull my fibs out. Boom. Put that there. This pink is my entry line. I got my higher high. I'm expecting price to start following this flow. So I'm expecting that higher low, at least to my 38.2. At least to my 38.2. Let's see how this plays out. Oh, wait a minute. And I got my shit right there. Hold on. So price probably maybe a high right there, but we gonna see what's good. All right, there, 23.6 consolidation. Feel me? Higher high, higher low. Thicker the cloud, the better the move. The thinner the cloud, the not so better the move. All right, so let me stop this real quick. So you see, I was expecting, yo, what the fuck, dude? So you see right here, I was expecting price to come down here and hit my 38.2, right? I didn't get that 38.2 touch. So because I didn't get it, I know price is going to continue up. So from this point, I do one of these. Boom. Pull this out. Boom. One. So I know price is going to continue up. So I'm still anticipating that the same flow, higher high, higher low, high, and then low. Since it's hit my 23.6, I'm going to bring this up a little bit more. Go right here. So we got a new high. We got a new higher high. Got a reversal pattern. Got the cloud crossover. And price broke my entry line. Give me an entry opportunity to sell. But I missed it already. So all right, so got the higher low right now. Bet. So higher low. 88.6 retracement. So higher low. High. So now I'm expecting price to come back up to create a high, failing to break this previous area right here. All right. See how that plays out. The blue sell. Let me get that lower low. I ain't getting the lower low, so I'm still expecting price to go down. Got a high. Now I'm taking the lower low. Price. Better create a lower low. No. Well, actually, no. I would be expecting it to go up because it didn't break my lower low. But so price finally broke it, which I was expecting just for the simple fact it didn't continue up to create that higher high. If price doesn't break structure, I think I just said that. If price don't break structure, it's going to continue its moves but go 2 times. Now, I wouldn't really stress too much about that because sometimes it's kind of hard to tell. Sometimes, like sometimes this shit will be clear like this, like you get a 1, you know, then 2 drop, or sometimes there'll be some small shit like 1, 2, some type shit. So you feel me? Just to be on the safe side. Blue cross red, just look for that higher high. Red cross the blue, just look for that lower low. You don't see the lower low, you know price still about to drop because you need that lower low. So in this case, we got a higher low, high, low, well, higher low, high, lower low. So I got my lower low. So, all right, so let's put this again. Ugh. Yes, over. I can't do this. All right, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to end this video. I'm tired of shit, and I'm not really feeling it right now. I'm still gonna upload this joint though. Maybe, I don't know. If you see it uploaded, then yeah, it's uploaded. But I don't know yet though, man. But I gotta end this. I'm tired of shit. I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna record another one tomorrow.